This magnetic sweeping tool is 17 inches. It telescopes out and is a convenient way to pick up metal off of your floor. Could be a wood shop like I have, garage, anywhere you don't want to bend down to pick up metal that fell on the floor. This is the tool for you. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. As you can see, a big box of screws fell to the ground. I don't want to pick all these up manually. Oh my goodness. Every last one of them. Unbelievable. This is so easy. There's a few metal pieces. I'm going to get those as well. There was more down there than I thought. Extra bonus. I only saw 3 things from this distance. I got all 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing. If something's in a hard to reach spot, they do give you this telescoping magnet as well. Very nice. Also, magnetic catch-all tray. All 6 items are in there. Amazing. I don't know about you, but I do not like to bend down to pick stuff up. This is going to be a huge saver in the shop. I really like this tool.
Assembling the tool is pretty easy as well. Just screw on the pole and then add the nuts and bolts to the wheels.